everyone, I'm Rachelle with Originally Worn, and in this video, we're going to install a new kitchen light fixture. Here is a quick look at our space where we're going to install the light fixture. We decided on a LED fan for our kitchen light. This way, it kind of combined the look that I have for kind of a farmhousey boho look and my husband's love for a modern look. Here you can see that it is packaged wonderfully with lots of styrofoam like that. It's all assembled, really easy, really lightweight. The thing that you're seeing me take out now is the whole light fixture. The white band on it is the actual LED light. And the blades are the fan blades. I believe at the moment right now, this light comes in a black and a white of the metal part there. It also comes with a remote, instructions, and the piece that you can attach the remote to the wall. So this is the spot it's going to be mounted up into here. And I'm not going to show you exactly how to do that because I'm not a licensed electrician and I don't want to burn your house down. I'm willing to do it enough for my house, but probably need to go follow someone that's an actual electrician for this kind of advice. Here you can see the fan on. It has 3 different colors. There's a warm light, a neutral light, and a cool light. Also, you can change how much it's dimmed or not. You can see that there. Of course, you know, phone videos, it kind of changes the color. It's trying to adapt it. But it is really nice to have that so it matches the other lighting in our dining room. And then the fan has 6 wind speeds, and truly, we keep it on the lowest speed, and that is more than enough to keep the wind blowing in our kitchen and a nice thing. It also can be easily reversed with the controller, so you can, you know, have the wind blowing down for summer and sucking up for winter time. It really has like hardly any noise, and so it doesn't bother you or anything like that. Now, if you're looking for a fan noise, I wouldn't say that on the lowest speed you'd hear much. You can see it reversing there. I was just having to switch it off there. And everything can be controlled by the remote. So that's the biggest thing for me when I have a fan, is that I hardly ever go up and actually switch that switch that's usually up like on the motor to what season it is. But this is just one button on the controller, and there's a lot of other really cool options on the controller, like a timer function and a nightlight function. It really is a great and wonderful addition to our kitchen that doesn't really have much ventilation. Also, you are able to just have the light on or just have the fan on and operate the settings for each of those things separately. So truly, it's a very customizable light fixture. So now that everything's installed and working, we're going to add a little special touch to it. I cut this medallion out that's going to match together on my Glowforge. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put double-sided extreme adhesive stuff. I'm trying to look for it. I got it at the Dollar Tree, nothing too fancy. We're gonna stick it on the back and stick this up around the light. So now we took off the backing of the double-sided tape, and we're gonna try to kind of line this up and fit it around. And then hopefully that is lined up. Stick it up there gently and get the other side. It's got the tape on the back, that's the front. And I'll come in this direction, which is a little hard. And now it just gives it a little bit more interest and kind of looks like the rest of our home. Now here's a look at this space with everything installed. It really is a great combination between the modern style that my husband likes and the old vintage antique style that I like. Hope you guys like this video. You can find links to these products below in the comments, and I hope you have a good day.